My name is Nicole, and for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome! I post videos every week, like about health, wellness, pretty much just everything I like and I would like to share. So today I will be doing my first fashion haul video, which I'm really excited about because it's a summer edition. And I recently went shopping like 1 or 2 weeks ago and got a few things from H&M and Forever 21 and Oysho. So I'm very excited to share that with you guys. June is just around the corner and that means that the good weather is probably on its way, which means iced coffee, days at the beach, ice cream, iced smoothie. I just can't get enough of summer. I think it honestly is the best season for me. I'm just gonna jump into my favorite purchase. It's from H&M and it's something you can wear like during the day in the hot months or even at nighttime to go out with a pair of wedges, and it has a very cool print, and it's this, let's see if you can see that, it's this pineapple jumpsuit, which is so cool. I love it. And it has these spaghetti straps, which is pretty cool. Really excited to wear it. So as soon as the better weather comes, this is what I'll be wearing. Okay, the next thing is also from H&M and I just saw it and I knew immediately I would just not take it off all summer. I just can't wait for the good weather and to be able to wear this. It's also a romper, but this one is short. It's very cool. It has like this little tassel and it's like, yeah, I would say like a neon pink salmon color. And the back is the best part. Look at the back. Moving on to the next part of the haul is this, again from H&M. It's these, I think they're called like pajama shorts, and they just look very cool. They have an elastic. Those hot summer days, I just think this could be perfect. And you can just pair it up with pretty much anything you like. Okay, and also from H&M I got this really cool tank top because in summer I just, did I say tanked top? I meant tank top because in summer I just really live out of them, and it's this one here. I think it's like a burnt orange, or yeah, let me know in the comments what this color is. I don't know if you can really see that, but very cool for summer. And just like, yeah, the back is like this. It's very fun, very flimsy. Paired off with the black shorts, just go for like a casual look, maybe with flip-flops. Or now we're moving on to something else I'm really excited about. As you may have noticed by this small haul, I love crazy prints like animal prints or fruit prints. I mean, they're just so awesome to wear, especially during summer. So what's coming up next, I'm very excited about it. I had actually seen it on Instagram, something very similar by, I don't remember who it was, but I was just on Instagram and I saw like these like palazzo pants. They just looked so comfortable. I think they were like, yeah, they had like crazy prints on them, and here they are. So fun just to pair up with like a crop top because they're kind of high. Or just, yeah, a loose fitting shirt. The bottom part is really awesome because they have like this ending like that. So, yeah, I don't know if you can see that. So they're pretty cool. So the next thing I got I'm really excited about because it has a very cool back. Check this out. This is from Forever 21. It's kind of like a crop top. Again, very loose material. Actually really digging the back to it. I think it just gives so much game. You can just wear it with like black shorts or even like short jeans or cut off or jean mini skirt, and it'll go really well. So yeah, I'm very happy I purchased this, and it was also not expensive, so win! So the next item on my haul is another crop top. Surprise! This one is also from Forever 21. It's a black linen crop top. Looks a lot like what I'm wearing now, but yeah, it's shorter. And it has like this really cool bottom to it. It's like embroidered. I will probably be wearing this a lot with my elephant shorts. yeah, I'm very excited about this one. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope this could somewhat help you guys if you're looking for clothes or you're looking for cool things to buy. I was just so excited and so happy to be able to share this with you guys. It's my first fashion haul video. I just really hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you also liked it. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye!